Governor of Enugu State is demolishing so many villages right now, demolishing their houses, even their farms. Where are the pastors? Where are the reverend fathers? Where are the bishops from Enugu State? Where are they? They're supposed to speak and condemn this evil governor of Enugu State is doing in Enugu. They're supposed to rise up to condemn it, but they will not talk. Tomorrow, governor of Enugu State will come to your church and do campaign. You bishop, you reverend father, you pastor, we tell your members to go and vote for the governor of Enugu State. Now look at what the governor of Enugu State are doing to your members. You cannot speak. What you are after, you bishop, you pastor, you reverend, what you are after is that all those people that the governor of Enugu State are demolishing their houses, when they will die, because some of them have died, some of them have got BP, die. You pastor, you reverend, you bishop, we go and bury them. You bookmaster them and bury them. But you cannot speak and condemn that the same man that came to your church and do campaign. That the same man that you are convinced your members to go and vote for. You cannot speak and condemn him for what he's doing to the poor people in Enugu. You cannot condemn him for what he's doing to the widows in Enugu State. Do you know how many widows that have got BP? Widows that their husband have died many years ago. Build house for them, and the governor of Enugu State will come and demolishing the house of the widow. How can this widow build house? Do you know how many poor people that have been fainted because of this thing governor of Enugu State are doing? And all the shepherds, all the pastors, bishop, ministers of God in Enugu State, they keep silent. They cannot speak because of one or two things that you people are benefiting from the governor of Enugu State. May God have mercy upon the generation. You will allow him to come to your church to do campaign. You allow him to come to your church and do campaign, but you cannot condemn what he is doing to the poor people in Enugu State. Where are those pastors? Where are those reverend fathers and bishops that invited the governor of Enugu State in their church to do campaign during election? Now, why can't you people speak for these poor people? Where are those people that are telling the Enugu people to go and vote for Peter Mbah, that Peter Mbah is a good man? Where are they? Where are those celebrities? Where are they? You people cannot come out right now to rebuke him for what he is doing. What you people did, you people keep silent. Pretend that you don't know what is going on. Look at what the governor of Enugu State are doing to the people of Enugu State. Under the name of he want to build estate. Now poor people are crying. So many of the owners of these houses that you are saying that governor is demolishing right now have died. So many of them got BP. So many of them have collapsed. Government have disappointed them. Where are the ministers of God? Where are the reverend fathers? Where are the bishops? Where are the ministers of God that are supposed to speak, condemn what the governor of Enugu State is doing? Where are they? You cannot find them because so many of them is benefiting one or two things from the governor of Enugu State. They cannot speak. The government have disappointed the masses. Churches have disappointed them. Where will they go? Where are we going? Government have disappointed them, demolishing their houses. They are learning, crying. Who will help us? Government. They're supposed to run to the government for the government to rescue them. But the same government have disappointed them. Now, churches who are supposed to stand by them have disappointed them. That is the reason many of people are speaking against the body of Christ in Nigeria. This is one of the reasons many people are speaking against ministers of God in Nigeria. How can this abomination happen in Enugu State and no Igbo ministers of God from Enugu condemning this thing that governor of Enugu State is doing? Where is the pastors in Enugu State? Where are the reverend fathers, bishops, ministers of God in Enugu State? You people keep silent and see the governor of Enugu State doing evil, committing evil in Enugu State, demolishing people, houses, their farm. He want to build estate, as he said, and you people keep silent. These people that are crying, do you know how many of them have died? All these houses that governor of Enugu State is demolishing right now. Do you know that so many of them have got BP? So many of them have died. So many of them have collapsed. Do you know what it takes to build a house? Right now, do you think that everybody, the way things are moving in Nigeria, not everybody can even build one room? How much 5 rooms and parlor? How much 2 decades? How much all these houses? Governor of Enugu State is demolition in Enugu State. How can those people, poor people, how can them build house? Onwelendo, before for law, even 1 room or 5 rooms and parlor, it take them like 5 years or 7 years to build even one house. Now, you want to demolish it. How can those people build another house? Where is the land that will stay? Governor of Enugu State, and most especially, where are the ministers of God in Enugu State? Tomorrow, the same governor will come, you people will allow him. He will come to the church, stood in the altar, doing campaign, telling the Enugu people they should vote for him. But look at what he's doing, the same people. Where are the ministers of God in Enugu State? Most of you will not talk, because you people are benefiting one or two things from the governor. Most of the ministers of God in Enugu State who supposed to speak, you people kept silent because of 1 or 2 things. You people are benefiting from the governor of Enugu State. And when you shake all these people right now that the governor of Enugu State is demolishing their houses, 99% of them or 100% of them are Christians. Where they are shepherds? Where are the pastors? Where are the reverend fathers? They are paying tithe and offering to them. Why can't they speak for them? Why can't they speak for them? Tomorrow, governor of Enugu State will come in your church and do a campaign. How can this village, how can these people start their life right now? 1 bag of cement is how much? Do you know there are many these people that cannot even build 1 room right now? Governor of Enugu State, why do you have this stubborn heart? And where is the pastors in Enugu State? Where are the reverend fathers in Enugu State? Where are the bishops in Enugu State? Where are the ministers of God in Enugu State? Why do you people keep silent without rebuking the governor? Why do you people keep silent? Look at what they are doing to your people. Do you know how many people in that particular area that has been died? Do you know how many people in that particular area now, their BP has rise up, they may stroke or any bad thing may happen to them because of this thing that he's doing. Demolishing their houses, taking their land, all their farms, because he said he want to build estates in different locations in Enugu State. And I have said it before, let me repeat it again. Governor of Enugu State, let it not be that you want to use this opportunity to provide a land, Luga, to Franis in Enugu State. I have warned you before, but let me repeat it again, because there is a village you went to, you want to collect their land to give Franis, but the village has said no, that we don't need it. So, Governor of Enugu State, let it not be that you want to use this indirect way to provide land that you're going to give Franis. Let it not be so.